Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchupagama. Tonight on Uzalo, please like, comment, and subscribe. Mondli is suspicious of Colon Mabaso, an expected visitor, but little does he knows that he has a target on his back. And it seems like Colonel Mabaso wants to kill Mondli and take the information of Mondli. Mondli found Colonel Mabaso putting the poisoning on the drink. While everyone Wamashu is happy to enter the competition. And it seems like Sbo wants to enter the competition, but this competition has terms and conditions that make Sbo unenter this competition. While Pastor Kuala and his learners on the church, they enter this competition. They are interested on winning this competition, and Pastor Kuala tell them that if they win this competition, they will change their lives. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.